What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Depression and Obsession by XXXTentacion. Once you get done with the video, make sure to check the description below. I've put a lot of really useful links there for you guys. There's links to my personal music there as well, along with my personal email address in case you guys need to get in touch with me for any further assistance with the tutorials. Without further ado, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, so your first chord is going to be your index finger on your 7th fret on your low E string, and then your middle finger on your 7th fret on your G string, and your ring finger on your 7th fret on your B string. And you're gonna let your index finger just cover up your A string to where it's not playing anything, and then you're gonna strum your low E. And you can mute your D or you can let it ring open. Either way, that one doesn't really matter. And then you're gonna get those two in it. And you can mute the bottom E as well so that it doesn't play. That's your first chord. Your second chord is going to be your index finger on your 3rd fret on your low E, your ring finger on your 5th fret on your A string, and then your pinky finger on your 5th fret on your D string. And then you're going to play all of the strings open. So you're going to kind of curve your hand so that all the strings will ring. And then your last chord is an E minor. It's just your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string and your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your D string. And now for your strumming pattern, it's very, very simple. It's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So it sounds like. Again, it's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And that's just that same thing that's through the entire song. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, through all the chords. There you go, guys. That's all there is to it. It's another very simple song. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any comments or concerns or any other songs you'd like me to teach you, just leave those in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check the video description. There's a lot of really useful links in there, along with links to my personal music and then my personal email address as well in case you need to get in touch with me. We'll see you guys in the next video.